Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make like this type of flowers with two color paper and two green paper, light green and dark green. You have to fold four of these paper into half and take one piece of them. You can choose any color as you wish. I choose pink and red. So first we are gonna make the stem. For that you need the dark green paper. Start rolling from here. You must put glue over here and stick it. So after making it will be like this. Now keep this aside and take the pink and red paper. Now take the pink paper and fold it into the half. Folding it will be like this. Now take measurement of less than half finger and draw a line over here. After drawing it will look like this. Now take the paper and fold it into half. After that you have to fold this into half. Same on the other side also. And fold this into half. After folding, take the scissors and start cutting till the line. Have to cut very small. If you cut more smaller, then it would look more nice. If you do like this, you can finish cutting very fast and make the flower also very fast. After cutting, it will be like this. Now after opening, there will be some space over these three places, so you must cut them into half. After cutting it will be like this. Now you must open this. After opening it will be like this. Now flip it and you must put glue over here and stick it to here. After sticking it will look like this. Now you have to do the same with the red paper also. After making it will be like this. Now you have to take the green paper to make the leaves. Take the green paper and fold it into half 2 times. After folding, in the side of the closed, draw a leaf. Now you must cut it. After cutting the leaf, it will be like this. Now you have to cut through here. After cutting, you will get 4 pieces. I am only taking 2 pieces for making this flower. That take the stick and the red and pink color paper. You must put glue over here and roll in the stick straight line. After putting glue, you must roll like this. After sticking it will be like this. Now you must put glue on here and stick it up of this. Now I have finished sticking. The flower looks like this. Now I'm putting tape so that it won't come out anymore. Sticking leaves, you have to put glue over here putting glue, you must stick it like this. After sticking the leaf, it will be like this. So the flower is complete. You can even use it for keeping in tissue paper rolls. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe, share and comment below for more videos. Thank you.